If winter's starting to wear a bit thin, come join us for Wire and Gas in sunny Brisbane. The heated pool and swim up bar probably won't make the decision any harder, and the West End's not a bad place to call home for the weekend. I'm Brendan Sorensen, and I'll be presenting the Electrified Vehicles Diagnostics session at Wire and Gas this year. Wire and Gas has always been a great industry weekend, but this year VASA and TAT have joined forces to make it bigger again. We kick off Friday night with the cocktail party and panel session, then Saturday brings the training, trade talk, good food, hospitality, and the gala awards dinner on Saturday night. So it's not just ducking away for a seminar, it's a proper weekend in Brisbane at a great venue with plenty happening outside the classroom. Sunday rounds out with the industry update sessions from leaders across HVAC, electrified vehicles, data sharing, and the wider direction of the trade, with the overall theme of how we can come together and be better together. So if you're due for a weekend away, Wire and Gas is a pretty good one. Brisbane, the West End, the heated pool, the gala dinner, there's plenty on the table there for everyone. So bring along your partner. I'll see you at Wire and Gas 2026.